Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can curve text in your documents in Microsoft Word really quickly. And as a complete beginner, it is mind-blowingly simple, guys. Let us show you how to do it. So what you want to do is enter or launch a Word document. Let me go with that example text document here. And what you want to do, guys, is add a text box to your document first. Let me find a free spot here, free space, let's say below that example text here. And what you want to do to add the text box is simply click on Insert here at the top and select text box here from that top menu. And after that, select the type of text box you would like to add to your document. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to add a simple text box like that here. So there you go. After that, double click on the default text inside your text box and fill the text box with your custom text. So let me type in, for instance, something like test text 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So after that, guys, you may customize your text by, for instance, resizing it, by applying italic letters, bold letters, changing the font color, and so on and so forth, guys. So play around with this as much as you like. And once you're ready to take the next step, follow my instructions. So what you want to do after that, guys, is get rid of that text box's borders here. Now, removing them is totally optional. You may keep them if you like, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to get rid of them. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply right click on one of the borders here and select Format Shape from the drop-down menu. After that, that menu here on the right hand side will appear, Format Shape. So what you want to do is expand Fill and select No Fill, and expand also line below and select a null line. That is going to remove your text box's border. And in the final step, what you want to do is close the Format Shape panel here to the right and apply the curving. So what you want to do is make sure that your text box is selected with your left mouse. And after that, head over to Shape Format here at the top and click on Word Effects here. After that, that drop-down menu will appear. So what you want to do is head over or hover your mouse over Transform, and here to the right, simply apply the curving or any other warp effect, like for instance, a wave effect or that shape or a circle or that one. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to add a simple arc effect like that, because that looks pretty much like a curved text. So let me apply it with my left mouse. There you go. Now in the final step, simply customize your curved text so that it aligns with your expectations and with your taste. You may resize it or increase or decrease the curving effect, rotate your text box, and so on and so forth. So guys, that's basically it. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.